Hello guys, welcome to the weekly forecast. Now right now we are looking at US30 and we're gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. So let's just go to the candlesticks on forward time frame. And you can see that we're still in an ascending trend, right? We're still in a bullish trend. You can see we kept creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So we're still in that overall bullish trend. You can also see this touch right there, right? I will remove that one. We just zoom in. Right now you can see we have this area right here. This area right here is support area. We're gonna have this area for the support for the week. We also have this one right here as another support for the week. We also have this area right here. This area is an area of resistance. So you can see the market shooting here and then bouncing, hitting up and then taking a sell towards this right. Or if it closes up, we can wait for a retest and look down to go up with the market. Let's go and see at the hourly. On the hourly, let's it did have a first touch right there and a second touch, but it does not confirm that downward trend, because in order for it to a trend like it confirm within 3 touches. So we're just gonna leave that right there, but it was gonna be for US30. Looking at Ger40 again, we're gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low, right? And then I was gonna go. If you see this area here, we had a first touch. You can tell it was in a downward trend, but it's no longer valid. Yeah. So for that, we'll go to the candlesticks and on the forward time frame. And you can also see that we created higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, which still shows that we are in a bullish trend. Right, we're still in that bullish trend. Right there, still in the bullish trend. You can also see that we did have this trend right here. We did have this ascending trend right there as well. Right, we did have this area here as a support area, and this area right here is the resistance area. Let's just zoom in on those areas and most result touches. So you can see that we did have this area as a support area right there. Right, and then we did have this area as a support area. So you can see that our resistance area not support. You can see that the market did close in the resistance area, so on market opening might just return, give us a touch right there. Give us a touch right there for shooting, looking for buy entries. Let's see on the hourly time frame. Yeah, it's gonna be it for German. If we come again and check our fundamentals for the week again on Monday, we might have the non-manufacturing MPI, PMI, not MPI, right? And then the global composite as well might have an impact, so we're just going to look at for those ones. The MPI as well for Germany on Tuesday, and on Wednesday we actually don't have, those won't have much of an impact, and this one's again won't have much of an impact on Wednesday, right? Because on Tuesday we have one, on Wednesday we don't have much impactful news. On Thursday, however, we do have the initial jobless claims and the continuation jobless claims, so that one will have an impact. So just be on the lookout for that one before entering your trade or your analysis. If it's a good point to exit, or if you should hold in on Thursday. On Friday we don't have anything, but yeah, that's gonna be the fundamentals for the week. Looking at gold, and of course we're gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. So we did have that movement, right? But no, we're gonna remove that. It's not a valid one. But what we can see that we did have this area because we did have a touch right there and then the market touching right there. So we're gonna have this area currently as a high area, but you can see that if we look at it on the candlesticks, we can somewhat just put this as a resistance zone. You can see that we did have other touches in the past, but we're just gonna limit it to right there, right? So we're gonna have that as our resistance zone, right there. We also did have this area right here as a support zone. We're gonna ignore that because that's outside, because you can see that we did have a third touch, but it's outside our weekly high and low. So we only focus our analysis on this area right here because that's where we expect the market to play around throughout the week, right? But you can see that if the market does about close, we'll be looking to take a buy towards this area, right? But also you can see that we did have an inverse, we did have a hanging man right there, right? We did have a hanging man right there, which is a form of a reversal candlestick. So you might see the market now upon open shooting down towards the downside. But yeah, we'll just be on the lookout for that. Just observing. You can also see that we did have our first touch right there, right? We did have our first touch and second touch right there. So you can also see that we are at the top of that downward trend. So you can see a greater form of reversal. If looking on the downside, but also on the daily time frame, right? Also on the daily time frame, which signals a stronger reversal. If we go down and look at it on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we did have an ascending triangle right there, ascending type trend, right? Which confirms that we're still in that ascending. But what you can also see is that with that greater time mode and that we are having an ascending symmetric triangle forming. So you can see the symmetry will be a continuation of the pattern, which shows that the market might greater shoot down, come back right here, it might come back down and then shoot up towards the upside. But yeah, that's going to be it for gold. Looking at US 100, we are going to plot our weekly low and our weekly high, and this is going to be our weekly low, right? And so we did have that first touch, second touch, third touch, first touch, second touch, and third touch right there, which still confirms that we are still in that overall downward trend, although the market can see that we're creating higher highs and higher lows. So we are building momentum to come and test this downward trend, and we might see greater reversal at this area. Right? Let's look at it on the 4-hourly and the candlesticks as well. On the candlesticks on the 4-hourly, we just zoom in on that. And you can see that this is also an area of resistance. So you can see that the market did very test, so upper market open might be shooting down. You can also see that this is also an area of support. So the market might come and test the support area right there, right? But you can see that we did have higher highs and higher lows as well. So you can see that we did have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, confirming that upward trend. So that the market might come down upon that retest, they shoot up, and then we'll be looking for buy entries. But yeah, it's gonna be it for the weekly forecast. So be like, share, comment, subscribe. Yeah, peace.